Hats off, uncovering the meaning and usage. Hello everyone and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an exciting phrase to explore. Hats off. This is a phrase you might have heard in English conversations, movies, or TV shows, and it carries a special meaning. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the origins, meaning, and how to use hats off in your daily conversations. Hats off is an idiomatic expression used to show admiration or respect towards someone because of something they have achieved. It is equivalent to saying, "I admire you," or "well done." The phrase originates from the old tradition where removing one's hat was a sign of respect and admiration. By saying, "Hats off to you," you are metaphorically taking off your hat to show respect. To better understand how to use hats off, let's go through some examples. Hats off to the team for completing the project ahead of schedule. Hats off to her, she worked really hard to get that promotion. Hats off to you for running the marathon. That's an incredible achievement. In these examples, the phrase is used to congratulate and show admiration for someone's efforts or achievements. Sometimes, English learners might get confused about when and how to use hats off. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Do not use hats off in a sarcastic or negative way. It is meant to be positive and respectful. Make sure the achievement or effort is significant enough. Using hats off for something very small might seem insincere. Use hats off with the preposition to. It's hats off to someone, not hats off for someone. There are some variations and similar expressions that you can use. Kudos to you. This has a similar meaning to hats off and is used to give praise. Congratulations, a more straightforward way to show admiration for someone's achievement. And that's a wrap on hats off. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use this phrase to show admiration and respect towards someone's achievements. Remember, it's all about recognizing and celebrating the hard work and success of others. Thank you for watching, and as always, hats off to you for taking the time to improve your English skills with us today.